Hi guys, welcome to TISNET 2022 last 30 days preparation video. Complete timetable I'll be giving you in this video. So do watch this video very carefully. So all the S1 those who have done partially preparation or just started their preparation, this video will be very handy for all of them. And if you have done with your preparation part, go and start writing the mock test. So every week you have to write minimum 3 mock tests, okay, and analyze the mock test very well. So very first, those who are demotivated, feeling low, or just started their preparation, to all of them I just say it's okay to be the last mover but be the fast mover. So although you have started in the last, but be quick enough about your preparation, about the topic which I'll be talking further. Also, to help you people at Maneuver, we have launched last batch, which is nothing but your TIS Fast Track Season 2 batch, which is starting from 27th of Jan. So in this batch, you will be getting the pre-recorded videos, live class, ebook, shortcut, doubt class we will be doing, mentorship, 5,000 plus question, WhatsApp group, 10 full length mock test, and quick learning will be there. So those who want to join this batch, kindly contact our team on this number and join the batches. And if you want to join us for the mock test online program book, so log on to maneuveredu.com/testentrance. Also, once you join the batch, kindly take the access of video lectures, your mock test and ebooks. So seats are very limited guys, kindly book your seat the day you are watching this video. Alright, now let's talk about the complete timetable. First week timetable, this is for your TISNET Fast Track Season 2 batch. So 27, 28, 29, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. First session will be of mine only. Complete strategy I'll be talking, and what to leave and what to attempt will be discussing. Okay, after then GK strategy video followed by your history GK session. So this will be your first week timetable. After then week 2, 31st, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, then 6th, 5th. Do watch pre-recorded videos before you come for the class. So one lecture will be of percentage, then redirection English, then practice from your ebook, profit and loss, then English, number system, vocab based questions, LCM, SCR, blood relation, then your geometry will be there. So this is what the second week timetable. So pre-work, post-work you have to do properly. Before you come for the class, do watch all the pre-recorded videos, and once you're done with this session, practice the question from your book. So minimum 15 to 20 questions you have to practice from your ebooks, and the pre-recorded video just watch it, and live session once you're done with, you will get the recorded of the live session. Do watch recorded session and 15-20 question, especially for the quant. Logic के लिए कोई भी question practice नहीं करनी है अपने को book से. If you have a time, then definitely you can do. Otherwise, and with your live session, it is done. No required. Book से practice करने की अपने को जरूरत नहीं है. Logic में, English में करना है अपने को, Maths में करना है, और GK तो अपने को definitely go through करना है. So in your first week only, complete strategy part will be given with regards to the GK. So don't miss any single lecture, guys. So whatever guidelines will be given in your GK session, do follow the same guidelines. And if you have missed any of the session, all the recorded videos, live lecture recorded videos you will be getting. So if you are joining this batch little late, watching this video little late, so don't worry, you will be getting the recorded videos. Followed by your week 3, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, then 13th. Okay. So ratio proportion, your reading comprehension lectures, maths, quadratic inequality, mensuration, and polity from GK, and then your logical area. So GK को लेकर के all the videos are given for current affairs, and static को लेके भी videos are there, and handouts are also there. Do watch all the videos and go through all the handouts. After then, second last, which is nothing but fourth week timetable, 14 to 20. Okay, this will be your complete topics will be taken care. And lastly, your week 5, 26 Feb को अपना TIS का एग्जाम है, right? तो 21, 22 तक अपन पढ़ेंगे, उसके बाद वी नीड ब्रेक. तो आपका 22 Feb तक मोस्टली सारे सिलेबस हो जाएंगे. उससे पहले वी विल ट्राई, बट 22 Feb इज द लास्ट जब अपना सिलेबस खत्म हो जाएगा. ऑल्सो 3 mock per week we have to write. So whether you have started or not started your preparation doesn't matter. 3 mock अपने को per week लिखना. So if you have joined season 2 batch, you will be getting 10 full length mock tests. So in a week 1 mock test, या तो फिर maximum 2 mock test लिखो along with your preparation. Preparation अपनी हुई है नहीं हुई doesn't matter. आप एक mock week में तो लिख ही सकते हो, और analyze your mock test accordingly, strategize your preparation. Don't wait कि मेरा पूरा सिलेबस हो जाएगा उसके बाद मैं मॉक लिखना चालू करूंगा, ये मिस्टेक मत करना. तो आफ्टर 22nd मॉक पे वर्कआउट करना है, और 25th को चिल करना है. नो टेंशन, इस दिन अपने को रिलैक्स रहना है एकदम, और मॉर्निंग तक आपका रिवीजन करना है तो रिवीजन करो, सेकंड हाफ के बाद तो रिलैक्स हो जाओ। 25th को अपने को कोई भी मॉक नहीं लिखना है, कोई भी टेंशन नहीं चाहिए, मॉक का स्कोर कम आएगा, अननेसेसरी डिमोटिवेट होंगे, वो नहीं चाहिए अपने को। 25th को वी विल बी रिलैक्स, रिवाइज करेंगे और 26 को बिंदास एग्जाम लिखेंगे फ्री माइंड से। तो दिस इज व्हाट द कंप्लीट 30 days टाइम टेबल गाइज for the TISSNET 2022. So those who want to join TISS Fast Track 2022 Season 2 batch, kindly contact our team on this number. And also we have launched 2023 batches, live and classroom both. So if you want to join live class, again you can contact on this number, and for classroom coaching, Borivali, Vasai and Dada, these are the respective number you can call. And with regards to the separate YouTube channel, Maneuver TISS Entrance, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, all the link I have mentioned in description. Do connect us on social media handles to get exam update, notification, GK videos, specific test videos. And if you have done with your preparation for the mock test online program GK boosters, all the link I have mentioned in description, kindly check the description. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.